welcome back to another video. So I have the pleasure of working with HerGivenHair. Y'all, I've been knowing about them for some years now, and for them to hit me up, man, I was like, what? Okay, so I'm so excited to be trying out this wig. It is a natural hair wig. It's not like your average wig, and the edges of the wig are unique, and y'all will see in a minute. But yeah, so I was able to choose out the type of curl pattern that I would like, and I wanted to choose a curl pattern that was close to my type of hair, and yes, it is close to my curl pattern. And I noticed that the density is full, and the work is like, as you're doing your hair, it feels so much like your real natural hair. I love that they bleached the knots, and so all I have to do is kind of tint the lace. So you'll see that in the future of the video, that I put a little foundation on the lace to kind of make it blend into my skin. So if you choose not to do this as a glue wig, and it's pretty dope that you don't have to because it's glueless, you can use those combs to kind of give you a little security if you would like. But I love that they have the back, the banding, where you can go to your sizing, or if you want to tighten your wig, they have the elastic band in the back, and as well as the little hooks in the back too. So on their site, the name of this wig is called the Kinky Edges Coily Texture Wig. The texture that I have is a 3C 4A-ish. Length is 16 inches, as well as the density is 130%. So it's pretty thick, y'all. Do you think about me? Are you thinking about me? Do you think about me? They also gave me a deep conditioner that comes with the wig, that's specially made for the wig to break the hair down and kind of soften it up, detangle it, and also to be able to add a little more moisture to the hair. So y'all, I wanted to do 2 different styles on this wig to show you that you can do a lot of styles, like twist outs, braid outs, rod sets, all that, y'all. Just hair, you're able to do that. So if you're struggling with your hair and you're trying to shake your own hair back, or you're thinning, or etc., this is a good protective style. Especially vouch for this for postpartum or hair loss of any kind. This is what it looks like with the hair dry. It's thick, but like applying your products to it, like as if it was your own hair, it will, like your oils, if you want to, mousse, creams, or any type of gels. I didn't really use a gel because this hair holds a style so well, I didn't need the gel. But yes, if you put your styling products on there, it'll look just like as if it was your own hair being styled. And another one. Don't let the street lights hit you. Could I be
If a paper crane can fly, then forever doesn't feel that far.
So as you saw, the edges are pretty kinky. So what I did was I added mousse to it, and I treated it like it was a wash and go, and raked my fingers through it. And I made sure I cut the lace really good and allowed the edges to hang over so it can look even more natural. Follow me on Instagram. My goal is to reach 2,000 followers, and also my TikTok. If you can follow me on there, my goal is to reach 1,000. So I'm trying to take this one step at a time and reach my goal, especially on TikTok, so I can be able to go live and show you guys more of live footage of me doing suit presses and, you know, hairstyles. But I don't dare to, I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize. Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night. Now y'all, when I used that denim brush on these curls, them babies was popping. It showed me a whole nother texture. I said, oh my goodness. Or technically it showed more of the 3C. As you saw at the beginning, it looked more towards the 4A. Wash and go, them curls popping, it looked more like a 3C. I think I'm love drunk and it feels wrong, but I'm not afraid to admit I used to feel safe next to you, babe. Now I'm thinking I deserve a hit. Maybe someday we could work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late. Y'all, I am in love with this wig. Like, I am blown away. This wash and go really looks like my real hair, my wash and goes. So if you want to purchase this wig, I have a link below. Check it out. It's gonna be in the description box. And what's so dope about HerGivenHair, they have afterpay, so you don't have to pay the whole price up front. If you feel like you can't afford the wig, or if it's not in your budget, they have afterpay, so you can do it in increments. It's so dope, y'all. This wig will last you, and I can't wait to rock it in the fall, because I'm gonna really be rocking it even more in the fall, so I can protect my hair and make sure it's okay, especially as I progress through this postpartum and potential hair loss. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.